Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going over my daily recap of all the trades that I took today. It's been a very frustrating day. I haven't managed to break my losing streak. So yeah, I'm 5 trades down the trot. Today was 2 break-evens and 1 loss, and I did break my rules as well. So it's been probably one of the worst days of trading since, you know, in a while. But I just want to make this video. Hopefully it helps some people out as well. I'm not too worried though. I'm only 1% down on my 50k accounts, which is the main accounts that I trade. I've managed to rotate my accounts pretty well, but yeah, let's start off with the first trade. So this was Ger30. This is in the morning. It's a 5-minute trade. We just have not been seeing very good 30-minute trades lately, which has been frustrating because I do prefer the 30-minute time frames. But yeah, it was an okay trade. It wasn't the highest quality, it wasn't the lowest quality trade. I mean, we had very nice bearish structure coming down. You know, I thought a lot of people were maybe getting faked out here with the change of character, but I managed to catch a sell here. Although look, these consolidation, I went out for break even because of this. We came here, we came into this area of demand, and I closed break even around this price here. But look, it comes in making quadruple tap at our area of supply and then goes on for a 1 to 3. So you know, frustrating start to the day. But nonetheless, we take another trade. We take a trade on EU. Again, this is the trade I broke my rules on really, because the only reason I said to my Discord actually in the voice chat that I wasn't interested in this trade simply because of the consolidation here. We come and we sweep these lows to the left here. We then fail to make any highs or break any highs at all. And then we consolidate around our entry point, and then we come down, give our entry, and then I enter. And this is a really frustrating and disappointed trade for me, because I just said 5 minutes before this that I wouldn't take it. The only reason I took it is because one of my mentors was doing his first YouTube live stream, and he was going over the setup, and you know, he was saying how good it was, which is fine. It's nothing to do with his fault. It's to do with my fault. And I have my own rules. I have my own eyes. You know, I have my own brain, and I should have recognised that, you know, it goes against my rules. I don't like it from my testing when I see consolidation around the zone. You know, it does significantly lower. You know, especially if we're reacting off this 200 EMA here. To say no, we want bearish price action. You know, we break these lows here. This should be a sign of consolidation. Breaking these lows of consolidation, and then this continuation down to the lows here. We break these lows again. So yeah, it was a frustrating trade, I must say. Something that I definitely should not have taken. But anyway, we take another trade. We take a trade on UJ. You could say I was over trading today, although I do think I only managed to lose 1%, which wasn't too bad. This is another break even. Got on the flip entry here. And my targets was 1 to 2.5. We ended up going to a 1 to 2.27. Again, another frustrating trade. A trade that could have hit a TP, but goes down to break even. But I'm obviously completely fine. I follow my rules. You know, we see it reacting off the this POC here. As you can see, it reacts off this POC. So I end up going break even at this high volume here. So yeah, another frustrating trade. But you know, the reason I took this was simply just because of price action. We see price coming here in here. We are of course very bullish, making this low here, coming up this high, coming into this area of discount right here, and I think this would be a nice area to get into lungs. And it looks like price just wanted to come further down, but I don't take the loss, so I'm pretty happy with the trade overall. But yeah, 3 trades, 2 break evens, 1 loss. I will be now removing EU from my pairs list. It just has not been performing well enough for me on the 5-minute time frames especially. And I'm just trying to cut down on these pairs a lot at the moment to really filter out the bad ones, the ones that are lowering my win rate. Especially in these harder times of, you know, getting closer to Christmas. Obviously, volume's getting lower in the market. Less people are trading. So I do want to make sure I can, you know, do the best for myself, and I think the best way of doing that is by cutting out poor performing pairs, and that's something I'm going to have to look over Christmas. I'm going to have to do some of my own back testing, a lot more of my own back testing, going back over all of my testing, all my results, to, you know, to double check I'm completely happy going into the new year with the trades, the pairs that I'm trading. So I've already added a new pair, EJ, very good results. You know, so yeah, this will be added to my 30-minute time frames. But if you do want to learn my strategy, what I trade, free Discord in my description. Everything's completely free. There's no upselling there at all. We do weekly webinars and we do voice chats every morning. We do back testing sessions together. So yeah, it's a great community. Feel free to come and join, say hello. But yeah, I'll end the video here. Hopefully you guys have learned something from this video. I definitely have learned something today, which is always a good thing. You want to continue to grow in trading and get better every day. So yeah, thanks for watching.